In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your background in Gmail. Changing your Gmail background is a simple way to make your inbox feel more personal and pleasant to use, and it only takes a minute or two. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each click so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and sign into your Gmail account if you're not already logged in. Once you're looking at your inbox, move your eyes to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings button. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This opens a panel on the right side of your screen called Quick Settings, which contains the most commonly used appearance options. In this Quick Settings panel, look for the section labeled Theme. You should see a small preview bar with different images or colors. Right next to it, there's a link or button that says Theme or View All. Click on that. This will open a larger theme window where you can actually browse and choose from a variety of background options. Now you'll see several categories of themes. There are simple solid colors, high quality photos provided by Gmail, and sometimes collections like nature, landscapes, or abstract patterns. Take a moment to scroll through and find something that matches your style or is easy on your eyes. If you work long hours in your inbox, a softer, less busy background might help reduce eye strain. When you find a theme you like, click once on it. Gmail will show you a preview in the background so you can immediately see how your inbox will look with that choice. If you're happy with how it looks, click the Save or Apply button at the bottom of the window to confirm your selection. Depending on the theme you picked, Gmail may show a few on-screen prompts. For example, you might be asked if you want to darken the text, adjust the vignette, or change how intense the background appears. Follow these on-screen instructions